You can make a difference. On September 25th, help us reach our 1 million mile goal in one day. Go to AdventistInStepForLife.org and sign up. Invite your community to join your church, school, or hospital as we move together to promote a healthier lifestyle. The Seventh-day Adventist Church has joined 50 other faith and community organizations in supporting the national initiative to fight the obesity epidemic. Let's make a change. Let's walk to promote better nutrition and to teach our children about the importance of healthy, active lifestyles. Remember, the Let's Move Day is Sunday, September 25th. Together, we can make a difference.